Here is question from NET JRF December 2017 from electrostatics. In this question, it is given that 2 point charges plus 3q and minus q are placed at 00d and 002d respectively above on infinite grounded conducting sheet kept in the xy plane at a point 00z, where z greater than d. The electrostatic potential of this charge configuration would approximately be 4 options are given. So let's solve this question. For solving this question, first we are drawing the diagram to the related problem. So diagram or figure of the related problem. First we draw an 3D coordinate system, that is, let this is y-axis, this is z-axis, and this is our x-axis. This is 3D coordinate system, and 3 particles are placed on the z-axis. So first particle is placed at a distance d whose magnitude of charge is equal to 3q, and another particle is placed at a distance 2d whose magnitude is minus q. Again, there is a particle which is placed at a distance d with charge minus 3q, and again there is a particle which is placed at a negative distance minus 2d with magnitude plus q. So from this diagram we can say the monopole moment is equal to, or monopole moment implies q mono is equal to minus q plus 3q minus 3q plus q, which is equal to 0. Now the dipole moment, we have to consider the dipole moment. Dipole moment P is equal to plus 3q into its distance dz cap plus minus q into 2d z cap plus minus 3q into minus dz cap plus q into minus 2d z cap. So after calculating these values, we can find the dipole moment P will be equal to 2q dz cap. Now dipole potential means V dipole is represented as V dipole equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught P means dipole moment dot r cap divided by r square, which is approximately equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2qd divided by z square. So there are 4 options are given. In first option, the option is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught d square divided by z cube. Second option is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 qd divided by z square. Third option is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 3 qd divided by z square, and fourth option is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught d square cube divided by z cube. So among these 4 options, here we are seeing that the option B is correct. So we can write option B. Option B is a correct option. Is correct. Now there is another question which is coming in NET or JRF December 2017 from electrostatics. In this question, it is given that in the rest frame S1 of a point particle with electric charge Q1, another point particle with electric charge Q2 moves with a speed v parallel to the x-axis and is perpendicular to the length L. The magnitude of the electromagnetic force or electrostatic force felt by Q1 due to Q2 when the distance between them is minimum will be equal to 4 options are given. and it is mentioned that we have to take the length contraction factor gamma is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus root under root 1 minus v square by c square. So let's solve this question. For solving this question, change of q seen by change of q seen by rest frame of q1 is equal to gamma q2. Therefore, our required value of force will be F equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into gamma q1 q2 divided by L square. So here 4 options are given. Among these 4 options, here we are seeing that our value or result of our answer is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught gamma q1 q2 divided by L square. Hence we can say option B is correct. Option B is correct.